Manipur's senior Bharatiya Janata Party leader Saikhom Tikendra Singh have been appointed as the new president of the party's state committee on Tuesday, May 2nd. BJP National Secretary Arun Singh, who is also the headquarters in charge, issued an organizational appointment letter in this regard. BJP National President Jagat Prakash Nadda on Tuesday has appointed Professor S. Tikendra Singh as State President of Manipur BJP, and the appointment comes into immediate effect, the party said. Speaking to media person at Imphal, the newly appointed state president expressed his excitement at the appointment. Said,
"This is normal procedure for a party. When the term ends, another term comes, so another person comes, nothing to be said especially. But I feel happy because I have been given the responsibility to work for the party as a state president for this term. So I am very much grateful to the national leaders for having been elected me the president of BJP Manipur Pradesh for this time."
The 68-year-old Professor Tiken is a postgraduate degree holder in philosophy who once taught at Maharaj Bodh Chandra College in Imphal and took voluntary retirement from service after 20 years of service and joined BJP in 1994. Since then, he started to work for the growth of the party. He was the vice president of the state unit from 1995, 2000 and 2000 to 2004 and later from 2009 to 2012.
Our government is a multi-party government, coalition government led by BJP. So naturally, there are so many differences among the partner groups. So these misunderstanding and differences should be brought into normalcy. So I would like to try my level best to bring normalcy within the government also. And I would like to normalize this party from all angles. That's why my just priority is to maintain discipline within the party. If there is no discipline, no party or anything cannot exist.
Being a core committee member of the party's state unit for 17 years, he was also the General Secretary Administration from 2006 to 2009. While speaking on the current COVID-19 pandemic, he also said,
"This pandemic is a problem for all over the world. It is not only for India, it is not only for the state of Manipur. So we should not we should not think in other way. Because we are fighting against coronavirus, this COVID-19. So all of us should have a concerted effort to fight against this virus. So such things of very cheap propaganda should not be there. We should not think partially, we should think holistically. We should collectively fight against such a war raised. That is COVID-19, the problem itself. So we should not make such unwanted remarks at this particular point of time."
At present, he is the chairman of the State Disciplinary Action Committee and the chief spokespersons of BJP Manipur Pradesh. Congratulating Professor Tiken on being appointed as party state unit president, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh on Tuesday tweeted, "Congratulations to Professor S. Tiken Singh on being appointed president of the BJP Manipur. With his rich and long experience as a Karyakarta of the BJP India, the party will surely progress under his leadership." While BJP Chief J.P. Nadda has begun the much-awaited organizational appointments by designating the party units chief in Delhi, Chhattisgarh and Manipur on Tuesday. He is soon likely to unveil new office bearers with party circles, anticipating the induction of few new national general secretaries. Bureau Report.